Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Jayapatākā Gadadhara Sivasadi
The following is a South Indian bhajan performance with the explanations given by His Holiness Jayapataka Swami Maharaj on July 20th, 1981 in Madras, India.
Bhaktavato smare nityamayu kamat siddhaye namami Sri Vigneshwara pada pankajam Nitanta kanta 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 Ajitya rupa mandarina mandaraya kantana Nilantare nilantara Akantameva yogita Tamekadamtameva Tamvichintayami sankatam Mahaganesha Pantarasta Mahaganena Yonam Pragalpate Prabhakate Vishwaram Ganeswaram Agohatam Agosatam Sukaditim Sukunratam Samahitayu Rastamudina Yupaiti Sotira Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Mahima 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 Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Rashama Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Rashama Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Mahima 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 Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Rashama Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Rashama Jai Ganesha Mahima Jai Ganesha Mahima Jai Ganesha Rashama Jai Ganesha Rashama Jai Ganesha Mahima Jai Ganesha Mahima Jai Ganesha Mahima Jai Ganesha Mahima Murti Gavadana Palayama Murti Gavadana Palayama Modaka Bhojana Palayama Modaka Bhojana Palayama Deshivanandana Palayama Deshivanandana Palayama Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Mahima Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Jai Ganesha Mahima 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 Anatimarindasya Gananjana Salakaya Chakshushnamilitang Jena Tasmai Sri Gurave Namah. Lord Ganesha was invoked to destroy all the obstacles on the path of progress in the worship of the Supreme Personality of Godhead, Sri Krishna and his expansions. This is described in the Brahma Samhita. Yat pada pallava yuganga vinidhaya kumbha dvanave pranama samaye saganadi raja vignan vihantu malamasya jagatrayasya govindamadi purusham tamahang bhajami govindamadi purusham tamahang bhajami. I adore the primeval Lord Govinda, whose lotus feet are always held by Ganesha upon the pair of tumuli protruding from his elephant head, in order to obtain power for his function of destroying all the obstacles on the path of progress
of the three worlds. In this regard, our Param Guru Dev Bhakti Siddhanta Saraswati Thakur has explained that Lord Ganesha is in charge of destroying all of the obstacles in one worship to the Supreme Personality of Godhead Krishna. And to get that power for worshipping the Personality of Godhead Saguna Brahma, therefore he is himself worshipping and always keeping the lotus feet of Krishna, Govinda, on his elephant head. It also mentions that of the 5 devatas recommended to be worshipped, because of this special mercy of Govinda, Ganesha's worship in the beginning of every activity is especially auspicious.